my dear student, do you ever seen the balloon flying itself in the sky? Do you want to make it? So today I'll give you one idea of science so that you can make a balloon which can be easily fly in the sky. So for that some things are needed, okay? So at first you have to take a water. So this is a normal water. Take this, and I have a bottle here where I am going to keep this water, and I have a caustic soda, and this is available in hardware shop. This is used to clean the drains, old pipes, old pumps, okay? So this I have brought from the hardware shop, and this I am going to use here. And I have some aluminum plates. This aluminum plates is also available in your house or near your shop. Now I am going to crunch this aluminum plates like such. So you can see I have crunched this aluminum plates. So this next plate I am also crunching this. Third plate I am crunching it. Fourth plate I am crunching it. Fifth plate I am crunching it, okay? Now just make small piece by using the scissors. Now I am cutting this aluminum into small pieces like such. So that I can easily put this aluminum inside this bottle. So you can see I have made the small pieces of this aluminum plates. Now also I have a balloon where I am going to fill the gas, okay? So this one is a balloon. Now what I am going to do, now I am going to fill this water inside this bottle. So as you have seen, I have filled the water inside the bottle. Now I am going to put this aluminum foil inside this bottle one by one. Okay. So I have filled all the small pieces of aluminum plates inside this bottle. Now I am going to keep the drain cleaner or caustic soda inside this bottle by using this one. So I am keeping this one upright, and I have the powder of caustic soda inside here. Now one by one by using the spoon I am going to keep this inside here. So you can see this is a caustic soda powder. I am going to put it inside here. So now I am going to put the balloon in the mouth of this bottle. So now I am keeping the tip here so that the balloon will not escape out. Now I am waiting for some minutes till this balloon will be bigger one. So as you can see, I have taken out the balloon from here. So this is my last balloon. Now I am no more going to film other balloon. So let's take out this. So I have taken out the third balloon. So this two balloon is too much lighter, so whenever I lift my hand from this rope, it will go up. As you can see, I have to tie it down, and again when I lift this, again it will go up, so I have to tie it down. So we can enjoy with this experiment. I hope you enjoy a lot. You also can make a hydrogen balloon in home, because hydrogen is much lighter gas. Whenever you feel that hydrogen inside the balloon also will go up in the sky. You can enjoy a lot by this experiment. How is this video? I hope you enjoy this. If you like this, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for today.